Alright guys, welcome back to Done Right by Dad Productions. Today we're going to get into a little bit of gardening. So I want to rototill my land, so I was hunting around for a little baby rototiller and found this little yard machine. Got it off the guy for 20 bucks. Says I don't know why it's not running. Haven't used it much, doesn't run anymore. Well, as we all know, the fuel lines on these things, they rot off. Don't last very long. So that's exactly what the problem with this one was. Took the air filter off, dumped a little gas down it, pulled it, made some noise. That's the problem. So come with me and I will show you what's up.
So as you see here, these things are just rotten. They're done. There's a little one-way check valve. So I'm going to take this line off, cut it, put this on the same direction. There's also another check valve in this tank going through these holes. And then there's, most importantly, the stone. You got to make sure you don't lose the stone. It's still in here, rattling around. I'll show you.
All right. Gonna get the stone out of the tank here. That's the best way to do this. Just tip it over, I guess. And that's what's on the inside. I got a bunch of water on the ground. There's your stone, your fuel filter stone, and the one-way check valve that was in there. Those are important. Don't lose those. They're expensive. All right, let me wipe up this water and we'll get back to it. So, I'm going to get you a razor blade and do yellow line first. Cut this sucker off since we're replacing it. Ooh, watch your hands. Am I using the right side of the blade here? Nope. Not the easiest line to get off there. Come on. There we go. Let's put a new one of those on. I'm going to do the same with the green. We're going to run them into the tank, and I'll show you what we'll do from there. All right, guys, I'm actually going to take the fuel tank off. It's just 2 screws. And this thing is actually a 4-stroke. It's kind of cool. Price was right, 20 bucks. Okay. There you go, 2 screws. Take it off, gives you a chance to clean the inside of the tank off. Or the inner portions of the tank, anyway. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do is try and push this line through and then pull it through this side, put that one-way check valve on, and then pull it back. That's what I'm gonna do. Perfect fit. Okay, we got our lines. Let's get a little closer here. We got our lines into our tank. You pull it back through. You're gonna reuse that stone. Because, yeah, I think they're like almost 50 bucks for a stone. Don't lose them. You want your stone to be laying on the bottom. And it's right there. Yep. There. Right at the bottom. Put it back in. Okay, let me just simply slip it back in place. Hook up your power line. Pressurize it up, I believe that's what that does. And then the original hose had this check valve in it too, so we're going to put that on top of our carb, and we're just going to cut the line and put that in.
Don't really matter where. And there you have it. She's replumbed. Check that out. A new stone, well not new stone, but reused stone, new lines. That should work. Just perfect now. Let's put some fuel in it, put these screws back on, put the cover back on, and see what she barks and makes some noise. All right, it's starting to rain on us, but all back together. Throw a little petrol in there. It is a 4-stroke, so no need to mix. We're going to check the oil. Little baby dipstick. I didn't say the carburetor was clean. Does need oil a little bit. Okay, I'll have to go out to the garage. We'll get some, but for shits and giggles, see if she goes. The pump all's filled full of fuel. It's moving. All right, boys or girls, see if it makes some noise. I don't know if I should start it on the table, probably not. Let's see if she bucks. Spark plug's not tight. I can see soap bubbles coming out. That's all you gotta do, 20 bucks. Go get you one all day. All day. Go get you one all day. 20 bucks. I knew that thing would run. I knew it. Anyway, guys, if that was helpful, like and subscribe for me. Helps me more than you know. Appreciate y'all. There you go, guys. Unperfect.